Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining us. Today, a little bit different to normal, we're getting out of here. So, as you probably would have watched in the last couple of episodes, I'll chuck a couple up here, that we have been doing some mods to the Kombi. So, we first jumped in and fixed a new sliding door / replaced the old one, which was a little bit bent. We then chucked an exhaust on this thing to shut this thing up because it's quite loud. And then the next part, we put in an oil cooler. It's a big van carrying quite a bit of stuff and I wanted to cool it down, and the oil cooler is doing a fantastic job, but I want to put these things to the test. So plan is I still have some packing to do, but I'm going to go out of town, probably an hour away, and do a bit of camping. So I'm going to catch up with Brod, as you've probably seen in a few other videos. He has a nice 60s Beetle that he's going to come along with. He's got a bit of swag. I'll camp in the van as it's already decked out for me, and we'll just have a nice night. So I think first up, what we're going to do is going to meet a little while away, grab some food, grab some breakfast, a few other bits and pieces. I want to fill the van up, I want to pump the tires up, all that normal road trip stuff, and get on the road. I have gone over the van. As we put the oil cooler in last, I've driven it a little bit, worked out any of the air bubbles where they're in that, and then I have topped up the oil. It is sitting there nicely. The oil cooler is pulling out so much heat from the oil. It's just amazing. Touching the engine now, it runs better, it sounds better, it is so much happier. So thumbs up for that one. But I want to test it on the highway. Same with the exhaust. The exhaust is something that I've putted around town on, but I haven't sat at like say 80 to 100 Ks for an extended period of time. And I'd like to see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's not too boomy like the other one was. So I'm pretty confident that it's going to stay nice and quiet, and it's going to be a nice comfortable ride in the van. So I think that's everything. First up, Brod and I are going to catch up. We're going to go to the supermarket. We're going to grab some breakfast and some dinner stuff. I'll put some more fuel on the van, just make sure it's all topped up, ready to go. And then we're going to hit the road. So you'll probably see me in 2 seconds, hitting the road, getting out of town.
All I want
Okay guys, so the drive-in was awesome. I was gonna film some more on us setting up the campsite and getting a fire started and all that kind of stuff, but I didn't feel too comfortable filming other people who were like in the background and that kind of stuff. So I'll throw some photos up of the fire. I didn't get too many, but I got the Kombi and the Beetle parked together. It was all really nice, but yeah, I just didn't feel comfortable filming anybody else without like going and asking them and that kind of stuff. And there were some idiots who parked next to us and I just didn't want to talk to them. So I'm sorry, but let's get back to the video. We're going on a bit of a walk, a bit of a different drive, and then heading back into town.
All I want
back, guys. We made it. I'm sorry, I was gonna film a little bit by the fire and film us cooking up and all that kind of stuff, but got a little bit too dark. My camera wasn't the best and it just came out blurry mess. So I'm sorry I didn't film that, but it was really nice. There was big metal drum. I'll chuck some photos up here. Like we were able to chuck all the wood in and start up a nice fire. Then some idiots came, completely another story, but they were just they left all this rubbish behind. They left this big fire. They were there for like 3 hours and then left this humongous fire that they pulled all this wood out of the bush for, which you're not meant to do. I'm not going to vent anymore. It was horrible, but we ended up using that fireplace instead of ours because they had a lot more wood in it, kept us much warmer. But it was really fun. We then ended up getting up in the morning and going for a nice walk. We went just up into the wilderness. There was a bunch of mushrooms and stuff. I'll throw some photos up. And then we went for a bit more of a drive. At the end, you'll see us just driving around. We went up to this old homestead that had been there since like early 1800s, I think, or like 1840. Not very old, but in Australia it's quite old. And it's nothing there at the moment, but as you see, all the autumn leaves and everything just looking really nice. And it was just beautiful. Just walking around and seeing like where these people used to live and that kind of stuff was just awesome. We went for a bit more of a walk up a bit of a hill and took like some nice photos of like all of the forest and the mountains and stuff around the campsite. It was awesome, really nice trip. And then went for a little bit of a different drive on the way back in, which made it a little bit different, a little bit nicer. I hope you enjoyed it. But I think that's it. This year has been awesome. 2025 has been really good for the channel. Hoping to go bigger and better next year. So please let me know what you'd like to see. Hit the button for more Enoch Garage stuff. But yeah, have a great holiday season, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Walking around and seeing like where these people used to live and that kind of stuff was just awesome. We went for a bit more of a walk up a bit of a hill and took like some nice photos of like all of the forest and the mountains and stuff around the campsite. It was awesome, really nice trip. And then went for a little bit of a different drive on the way back in, which made it a little bit different, a little bit nicer. I hope you enjoyed it. But I think that's it. This year has been awesome. 2025 has been really good for the channel. Hoping to go bigger and better next year. So please let me know what you'd like to see. Hit the button for more Enoch Garage stuff. But yeah, have a great holiday season, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.